Passive income is a controversial topic, with many people using the word incorrectly to hype up a business opportunity. So it may bring a negative vibe with it, since it's been known to be used by the get-rich-quick schemes, often using these words to market a passive income opportunity when promoting their sketchy business practices. To me, however, passive income is the end result. It's the reward, the icing on the cake. Before you can arrive at passive income, you're going to have to work for it. This is why it's not truly passive. There's initial upfront work involved to build an asset that will provide passive income. I'll be the first to tell you that real estate investing is not true passive income. However, rental properties can be purchased and then managed by property managers, allowing you to do other things with your time and not have to worry about managing the property. You get to sit back and relax and collect monthly rental income in your bank account. This sounds pretty passive, and it is, but there is initial work involved in finding the real estate deal, purchasing it, fixing it up, and finding a tenant to sign a rental contract with. After this initial work, then the investment becomes pretty hands-off and starts producing rental income that is pretty passive in nature. I personally self-manage my rental properties, and they don't take very much time at all. Occasionally, I visit the property to do an inspection to make sure things are going okay, but for the most part, my tenants and I don't speak. I've saved myself a lot of stress by screening for good tenants and placing reliable people in my properties who take care of the place and pay the rent on time. Now that we've talked about the misconceptions of passive income, let's talk about why it should be everyone's goal to earn this style of income. When you earn passive income, you don't trade time for money like you do at a typical job. The typical 9-to-5 job requires you to work 8 hours per day to earn a predefined amount of money. Every hour worked is time traded for a certain amount of money. For example, a worker clocks in and earns $25 per hour for every hour that they are at the office. By the end of their 8-hour day, they've accrued $200, 8 times the $25 they're earning per hour, so this $200 is how much they made for the entire day. With passive income, you're not trading time for money. So if you decide to spend your day going to the gym, going shopping for groceries, meeting up with a friend for coffee, you still get paid money regardless if you work or don't work. With a job, if you clock out and go meet a friend for coffee for 2 hours, you're now going to earn $50 less, since you're losing out on those 2 hours at $25 per hour that you're not clocked in to work. It's a hard concept to understand at first, trading time for money versus building an asset that pays you passively. When I have rental properties bringing in $6,000 per month, it's still $6,000 that can be used to pay my bills, buy my food, take me and my family on fun vacations, or provide us our different entertainment expenses. It's just earned differently. I didn't have to spend 40 hours at the office times 4 weeks in a month to earn that $6,000. Instead, I leveraged that real estate property to work for me. It provided a home for someone else in exchange for payment of rent money, freeing me up to do other things with my life and still earn income regardless. The rental property is working for me, I am the business owner, and it is my employee. The time and work and money it takes to build the asset, the business, the rental property, this is what makes passive income not truly passive, since you're getting paid back later on for all the upfront initial work that you have to put in to create this income producing asset. But once you get to this point of earning income passively, then you can start to enjoy life from a new perspective. When you don't have the stress of feeling forced to work, you feel more happier, you feel more free, and you feel like you're more energized each day. You can continue to work your job if you truly enjoy that job, but now you're doing so on your own will. You're not feeling forced to work that job anymore. You know that you can quit that job and walk away from that job at any time and still be okay financially. The extra income from the job is now icing on the cake, providing a better lifestyle for the time being. So some of the key benefits of earning passive income: for one, you get to wake up when you want. You don't have to worry about setting an alarm clock, being forced to get out of bed at a certain time. You can get out of bed instead when you feel well rested. And getting better quality sleep will help improve your mood and performance throughout the day. Not feeling groggy, tired, angry, depressed, these are all things you'll start to notice disappear. You'll emotionally feel much happier and much more energized. It also provides you the opportunity to take your family on vacation, spending more time building stronger relationships with your family, especially if you haven't been as present in the past because work has been constricting a lot of your time. You also aren't constricted by a certain number of vacation days, so if you want to take multiple vacations per year, you can now do so. Additionally, passive income can provide you the opportunity to spend more time going to your children's sport events or after-school performances because you don't have to worry about missing them due to your work running you into 5, 6, 7 p.m. shifts at night. Instead, you can make it to that 4 o'clock after-school activity that you normally wouldn't have been able to attend. So overall, this is what I consider passive income, putting in work to build an asset up front so that down the road you can reap the rewards and benefits of it. I don't consider passive income to be some get-rich-quick scheme where you can start making money quickly without any work. It's going to take work up front. You're going to have to invest your time, some money, and hard work to get this asset going and off the ground. But as it starts producing income, you'll get to enjoy the passiveness of it in the future.